Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro, and let me show you how to use and how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. So now let's use the upper bar twice, and here you've got quick access to Do Not Disturb. Let's tap on Do Not Disturb, tap Enable, and as you can see the icon of Do Not Disturb just pops up, so it means that you just activate your Do Not Disturb mode. So now if you would like to configure your Do Not Disturb, let's find and select the settings right here, then choose Display. Here, let's choose the sound, of course. Here you have to select Do Not Disturb, and now as you can see you've got enabled your mode in the alarms only, but you can change it into Do Not Interrupt. This is like the most restrictful mode without any sounds. You may also select allow only priority interruptions, and here you can define these interruptions so you can accept the calls from some whitelist, from some favorite contacts. You may do the same thing with the messages right here, and you can also handle with repeat callers. Alright, let's go back, and if you would like to disable Do Not Disturb, let's use the same switcher. As you can see the icon disappear, and you can also use the scheduled time, so you can activate Do Not Disturb automatically every weekend, every event, or every other rule that you customized. Alright, let's go back. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.